You learn 5 times faster, and you remember forever if you have a contextual or emotional connection with the content you are learning. We've all heard that, but how do we actually do that? Well, we solved the problem for you. Use Talhammer when you search for meaning or translation, and it will include your search history in your repetitions. Have you found a nice word or interesting sentence on the web? Just paste it in Talhammer. It will not only make you remember that forever, but it will train you to use it with speed and confidence very soon. Imagine you had a conversation and wanted to say, "Let's have a drink after work," and you didn't know how. Just start typing it here, and Talhammer will search for some examples that you can click and save. You will see that you will quickly be able to say that sentence fluently. You can also translate your sentence by clicking here. Just click Save, and we will add pronunciation audio for you. But more importantly, we will add it to your spaced repetition queue. The item is saved in the currently active collection if you would like to open it later. It is a very good way of learning. By remembering the whole sentence, you also learn structure and the way of saying something. And there is more to it. Our spaced repetition algorithm trains you on that sentence so you can easily recall, say, or even swap parts of the sentence fluently. This is how we create native-like language reflexes. By learning this way, more often than not, you will know how to say something without knowing a grammar rule behind it, just like we all do in our native languages. If you use Talhammer on desktop, you can also add images for even stronger memory stimulation. I encourage you to add a few example sentences as often as possible. For example, let's add not only that, but also, "Are you coming for drinks after work?" By clicking here, the item is saved in the active collection. On the desktop, it is shown here. That way, you will quickly remember and be able to say a few things around the topic. This will allow you to quickly automate things in language like asking questions, negating, accepting, confirming something, etc. With few clicks, you can easily create many variations of sentences by changing the person speaking or moving it to the future or in the past. Our statistics reveal that if you show an element only a few times, but spread over time, our brains will usually need 45 days to master this element really well. People often think about remembering the whole sentence as something hard or laborious. Not true at all. And as we said before, everything that you searched for or translated and then saved will be added to your repetitions. Make sure that your sentences are rather short and that you are familiar with at least 50% of words. This is a very powerful and natural way of learning a language. Don't worry about the workload. Our spaced repetition algorithm called Atom will optimize your repetitions in such a way that you repeat less but remember more. Last but not least, you can hack your memory even further and train your ear by listening to everything you saved or learned from other collections in the listening mode. This is hands-free activity where you can listen to everything you are learning. Studies report that combining language learning and physical activities improve your ability to remember information by 25%. Thank you for watching and enjoy language learning with Talhammer.